man, Papa?
You know, so me there I go and take a walk on the road here.
So which part on the road did they go?
Right now, sister, I like the palm my mind, you know, so...
So what kind of things you upon your mind? So what kind of things you upon your mind?
You know, say one bag of things from picnic days.
Papa, what really happened to you? You look like you really have something on your mind. You ever tell me, you know, me you grew up and you ever tell me what's upon your mind?
You know, say nothing too tough still, but I'm from youth days. Because me I go to school, me always have them dream business and, you know, and I have this wet dream business, but never know, say in a morning them things they happen. Never really have no family that talk to me about this. And when me there at school, me always afraid because I think it happen when me there at school. Even when me there road, I walk up and me see me. And I look for no
And
reason.
that you never want to tell me? Papa, that's how that is how it goes. Even big man or men still have them something there. So you don't have to worry about that. You soon grow it out.
No man, I grew up that long time man. It's just something will come back up in the head. You know when time something come up in the head, you just mention it back. You just feel like express yourself.
Yeah man, I said them something there go man. Anyway, I go about my business. You hear, so later we talk.
Alright young miss, take time. Alright.
You know, so I'm concerned about your brother, Papa. I'm really concerned about Papa.
You can't concern about Papa. You say my Papa a madman. Anyways, what you say doing?
You know, so not for go on, so. You don't for go on, so. You know, see, I go to you, make him a behave, so. Because look, while I go, I see him, and I come down, and I say to me, say, yo, he think about all type of things, and he think about puberty, and when he did young, anything, so he go to school, he go have puberty, but he never know, say, a morning time it happen. You have to go talk to him, you know, man, because he wants somebody to talk to.
What kind of puberty think business you come to me about? What kind of foolishness this you come to me about? What about puberty? What kind of argument that you come to me about? I heard me for running out of the bus, you know. Why for that, man? What kind of puberty argument you come to man about?
Sir, calm down. It's not puberty, it's puberty. Say puberty, not puberty. Puberty?
You think of school me there?
You know what? I now waste my bread pan this. Uno up there, uno family member up there make Papa stay so. I come out to your bus and left you. Bye.
You say you come slam man door come talk about puberty. You say the one Papa. The man you waste man, you know.